Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make an awesome video with a cool reveal slide effect in CapCut. So you can create this reveal slide effect using the film strip masking, and here I'm going to show you. First, just add your clip, then you can just start by adding a keyframe at the start of your clip. Then go straight to mask and select the film strip. So in here, just rotate the film strip masking and adjust the size to your liking. I'm going to go with this and then drag the arrow to have some blurry edges like this. And then after that, bring the masking to the top left corner like this. And after that, you can just click on a check icon and then go to the end of the clip, add another keyframe and click on mask again, and now drag the masking to the bottom right corner like this. Okay, so you can drag it to where you want, and then after that click on a check icon. So this is the result. But if you want to have a more smooth movement, you can also add grab. So go in between the keyframes and go to grab and select the grab that you think fits your video. So I'm going to add the ease out too, I think, and just click on a check icon and you'll be done. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.